Hello everybody, my name is Michael Geibel, and this is me here playing Slendrina the Forest, a new indie horror game that I saw in the App Store. Difficulty, let's go medium. I ain't no little chicken, but I ain't a boss either, because I don't even know this game. I have heard rumors that there are scary secrets in the forest. I must find out what it is. Ooh, scary. So I don't really know too much about this game. I honestly just downloaded it like 5 minutes ago. So if you like it, if you like this video, hit that like button. Maybe even subscribe. Trying to get at least 100 likes on this video. Even if you like this app, you can install it on the App Store. It's Slendrina the Forest. So I have honestly no idea what I'm doing, so I'm gonna just roam around a little bit. See what in the hell is that? There's no fuel in the tank. The record player needs power to play. Okay. Hey guys. Okay. Oh god. Oh god, run. Run. We stay alive. We do not die. Not in this game. Not in my town. Why is there still blood on the screen? Because she's following me. Because she's a creep. I don't like this. I don't like that lady's following me. I don't like that. I do not like that at all. I don't like it. She's still following me? Nope, she's not following me anymore. God, the atmosphere is so spooky. Oh, man. I'm really liking it. See, there's that old lady again. Trying to eat my face. Where's she going? I run faster forward than I do sideways. Definitely run faster. Grandma, leave me alone. What did I tell you? I don't want your cookies. I don't want none. I do not want none. Take your Girl Scout looking ass and go the other way. I don't want none. I do not want none. I don't want none. I don't want none. Oh, you're so pretty. Anything up here? Oh, needs a pass code. Needs a purse code. It's not satanic. Someone there? Yummy! Get away, get away, get away, get away! No! Oh, man. Alright, now we are back to our original spot. Like I said, oops, sorry guys, didn't mean to turn off the camera. Did not mean to do that. Not mean to do that at all, honestly. My apologies, guys. Don't want none. Don't want none. Don't want none. I do not want none of your bullshit. I do not want none of your bullshit. I don't want none of that mumbo jumbo gumbo. No, I don't. Ooh. Well, hello. Can I open this? Oh. Get the fuck out of there. Get out of there. Don't let her follow you. Don't be a dum-dum. I want to be a dum-dum and go back. She's still in there. Am I going dum-dum and she's still there? Man, these jump scares are really good. They're getting me, I'm not gonna lie. Well, this is as far as I can go, I guess. How far can I go this way? I've not explored that. Okay. Let's see here. How far can I really go? Oh. There's a house. I've already been in this house. I've already been here. Yep. Alright, guys. I really don't know what I'm doing, so I hope you guys aren't bored with this video here. Oh, I found another house. Okay, awesome. Oh. Well, I found another frackin' key. Found gasoline for that tank that I found way back when. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. No thanks. No thanks. I don't want your cookies, ma'am. I think I'll pass. I think I'll pass. Had enough of that. Okay. Lock me out. That's cool. I didn't want to be in anyways. I get it. No one loves you. It's okay. It's okay. I don't know where to go. Where do I go? So tell me what you think about this video, this game. I'm curious to know what you guys think of this game. Comment down in the description. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. But for now, I'm gonna try to get back to that camp. But if not, I don't want to make this too long, so I don't want to bore you guys to death. My obnoxious. Oh my. Oh. Well. That's basically it, guys. That's Slendrina, the forest. Tell me what you guys think of this video. So tell me what you guys think of this in the description. Subscribe, smash that like button. I'm trying to get 100 likes on this video. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out.